Introducing the Graco SnugRide 35 Lite LX Infant Car Seat Studio. This lightweight wonder weighs only 7.2 pounds, making it a breeze to carry your little one from car to stroller. But it's not just lightweight, it's also incredibly safe. Graco Protect Plus engineered technology goes above and beyond, rigorously tested to protect your precious cargo in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The easy-to-read level indicator takes the guesswork out of installation, giving you peace of mind knowing your baby is securely seated. A 4-position adjustable base ensures a comfortable ride as your child grows, while the soft-knit head and body supports provide a snug and cozy fit. Plus, the multi-position canopy keeps baby shielded from the elements. The SnugRide 35 Lite LX features a convenient latch-equipped stay-in-car base for quick and easy installation. This car seat is designed for rear-facing infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. Ready to give your baby the safest and most comfortable ride? Visit our product page now and learn more. Link to product